guys, I just want to show you something quickly. I haven't got my 50 subscribers, but I just gonna wait! So, there it is. He's a child from hell. Donald! Ah! The reason why he's from hell is because he's too cute for the universe! He's too cute for the universe! No, you gotta stay here. Just gonna put these on you. The child from hell. He's a hellbent. He's hellbent child. It's a baby. He's so cute. Don't turn the YouTube off. I'll be back. He's a new YouTube star. He's so cute, isn't he? Oh, sorry guys. He's a new YouTube star. He's our new YouTube star. God! Keep pushing.
Okay, Mum's having a sleep.
Sorry.
Why are you screaming? No, but why are you screaming?
I don't know.
Playing with George is one thing, Victoria.
George, come on. Stop playing on the screen. I'll put it more comfortable shot. Hi,